Have you ever noticed how some people speak and the whole room goes silent to listen? I learned this lesson many years ago, not from a book or a speech, but from a silent gardener at the monastery. He never raised his voice, never lectured, never tried to dominate a conversation. But when he spoke, we all listened. Why? Because his words came from a place of deep stillness, his presence. Communication isn't about saying the right thing. It's about being the right energy. When you are fully present, not distracted, not trying to prove, people sense it. That presence, that mindfulness, is magnetic. I often say, don't speak to be heard, speak to be felt. Let your words carry your truth, not your ego. One of the biggest mistakes we make in communication is listening to reply, not listening to understand. But when you truly listen, with your heart, not just your ears, you'll notice people start listening to you as well. Because they feel safe, they feel seen. You want to know the secret of why some people make others listen? It's not charm, it's not vocabulary, it's not perfect grammar. It's intention. When your intention is pure, to uplift, to understand, to help, your words naturally become powerful. But when your words come from insecurity or a need for validation, they lose weight, like leaves scattered by the wind. In silence, we learn to speak better, because silence teaches us patience. The more I sat in silence, the more I realized people don't need more words. They need more truth. They crave connection, not just communication. So if you want people to listen, slow down, be present, speak from love, not from fear, and above all, listen more than you speak. Because in listening, you begin to understand others. And in understanding others, your own words will begin to matter. Remember, a monk's wisdom isn't in how many words he speaks, but in how many hearts his silence touches. If this message made you pause, reflect, even for a moment, let it live on. Like, share, and subscribe. Not for me, but for the next person who needs to hear it.